Outstanding! Yay! Yay! Bravo! Bravo! That was great. That was an encore presentation exclusively on My Philippine Dreams. Thanks to all our backup singers. Thank you very much. Salamat kaayo. Salamat sa imong tabang. Adios. Nice job. No comments from the peanut gallery. Oy, jeez.
Lapit na lapit, ako'y lalapit, layo ng layo, pagka lumalayo, labo ng labo, ika'y malayo, malabo, malabo, umalis, pagkalik na rin ko. Seems like everybody's got a prize. I wonder how to sleep at night. When the tale comes first and the truth comes second, just stop for a minute then smile. Why is everybody so serious? Acting so dumb and mysterious. Get a shade on your eyes and they feel so high that you can't even have a good time. Everybody look to the left, everybody look to the right. Can you feel that? We'll play it on love tonight. It's not about a money. We don't need your money. We just wanna make the world dance. Forget about the prize, yeah. Forget about the ching, ain't about a bling. Wanna make the world dance. Forget about the prize. Sabi na ayaw mo na.
It's like singing chipmunks.
Pinag-isipan mo na.
Singing chipmunks.
Malapit tayo, malapit.
Still got poker saying that. It's good. It's not bad. It's okay. Alright, outstanding. Yay! That was really good. You got. Hey, I think you found your band. You found your band. Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.